In 2018, Machine Gun Kelly drops a song called Rap Devil. Now, this is very interesting because it's a play on words. If you guys know anything about Eminem's discography, one of his most famous, well-known songs, it's called Rap God. So for Machine Gun Kelly to drop Rap Devil, it's clearly a hit on Eminem. Once you read the lyrics, it gets even crazier. And these two start dropping diss tracks against each other. And we're not here to talk about MGK and Eminem. It's just that as they're releasing these diss tracks, there is one name that keeps popping up in all their songs.